Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I advise them to save, invest, and grow wealth. I believe in one thing: all of us can be millionaires in the stock market. All of us are working to be millionaires in the stock market. And all of us will be rich in the stock market. I have a Telegram group where we are practicing this. If you are new to this group, if you're new to this channel, join our Telegram group. The link is below in the description. That's where we discuss the stock market 24/7. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Click the red button there and click the bell notification. Next to the red subscribe button, there's a bell. Click on the bell so that every time I upload a video, you are told. Or rather, you get an alert. Or rather, you get a notification. Today's topic is this: how to get to 10 million by saving 300 shillings daily. If you are saving 300 shillings daily, it then means that in a month, you can save 9,000. In a month, you can save 9,000. So let's do this. For the sake of easy mathematics, you save 300 shillings daily. But don't just save. In this market, we are not just saving. In this channel, we are not just saving. We are saving and investing. So you save 300 shillings daily. After 30 days, you have 9,000. But it will not be 9,000 because you shall have bought a stock and you shall have sold. Let's take, for example, you bought NBV, Nairobi Business Ventures, at 5 shillings and it went to 8 shillings. So your 10,000 shillings will not be 10,000 shillings. Your 9,000 shillings, okay, 300 times 30 days is 9,000. It will not be 9,000. You shall have grown in size or grown in number because you shall have bought a stock and it shall have gone up. So for mathematics sake, let's say that your money is now 10,000 per month. And you keep saving, keep investing, keep saving, keep investing, keep saving, keep investing. In a month, you have 10,000. In 12 months, you will have 120,000. Then again, using the rule of investing, you're not just saving, but you are also buying stocks and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling. So your 120,000 will not be 120,000. The money shall have grown, let's say grown by 40% or 50%, because you shall have bought stocks and sold, bought stocks and sold, bought stocks and sold. For mathematics sake, your money shall have grown from 120,000 to, let's say, 150,000. That is year one. Again, you need to repeat. You need to repeat this for year two. For year two, again, you repeat. So remember, year two, you are starting year two, not with 150,000, not with 0 shillings, but you are starting year two with 150,000. So again, you can do the calculations. If you keep repeating that circle for 5 years, you'll have 1 million. If you keep repeating that circle for 6, 7 years or 10 years, you'll have 10 million shillings. Ladies and gentlemen, that is my aim in this group. That is my aim in this channel. That all of us save, all of us invest, and all of us grow money. I believe in one thing. Even if you are a small person and you can only grow chicken or hens, and these hens, they produce eggs and they lay eggs and they hatch into chicks, and one hen produces 10 or 15 eggs and they all turn into chicks, and these chicks also grow and they start producing more eggs and turn into chicks, and these chicks also grow. You will end up with very many hens or very many chicks. Then you can sell during the December holidays. I believe everybody can be rich. Even if you are rearing cows or goats, and these goats produce kids, and these kids start producing kids, and those kids start producing kids, and those kids start producing kids, that's how everybody grows rich in the stock market. That's how everybody grows rich, whether you are a farmer, whether you are in business, whether you are in stock market, doesn't matter. As long as you are buying, selling, making profit. Buying 10% profit, let me say, buy, sell, make 10% profit. Buy, sell, make 10% profit, and your profits keep growing, and your capital keeps growing, and your capital keeps growing. That is how everybody gets rich. And that's how you can become a millionaire if you are saving 300 shillings per day. It will take you 10 years. It will take you 10 years for you to be having 10 million shillings. And remember, the principle is one: save, invest, and grow money in the stock market. And it must grow by 10% return per month. At least 10% return per month. That is 100% return per year. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If you are new here, subscribe. If you are not in our Telegram group, join the Telegram group. Thank you. Bye-bye.